in this video we're going to talk about what does restricted account mean on Instagram. Firstly, when you launch your application and when you open up a file size selection, for example for this profile, and you go on the three dots on your right upper side and simply go restrict on the fourth selection, right here it will shows up that session which will go dismiss. And from now on, if you want to check over and see what's going on when you unrestrict that site selection, you will simply go on the profile selection right here, go on the three dots on your right upper side, go settings, and simply go for privacy on the fourth selection, scroll right down and find for restricted accounts. From here, guys, you can simply check it over what that means. For example, it says we don't tell them if you restrict them, only you and the person you restrict will see their new comments on your posts. They won't see when you're online or when you read their messages. Also, to protect yourself from unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow people, go learn how it works. And from here, guys, you can check over what's interested for you, what you want to know more for about it, and get all that stuff for restricted account.